The cost of waiting, why starting today could transform your future. What if waiting even one more day could cost you your dream life? Let's explore how to stop losing and start winning. Are you feeling stuck in a cycle of work, bills, and stress with no way out? Picture this: waking up with no alarm clock, checking your phone, and seeing payment notifications. Imagine having the time and money to enjoy life fully. Don't wait. You can start today. But here's the twist. What if the real cost of waiting isn't just money? It's time you can't get back. Let's break it down a bit. Let's talk some reality. You're juggling bills with little to no savings. Retirement feels out of reach, and the idea of enjoying life feels like a luxury. Maybe you're working a job that's draining you emotionally and physically, but you feel like there's no other alternative. Think about this for a moment. You're on a treadmill, running harder and harder, yet staying in the same place. You're exhausted, but getting nowhere. Here's the truth that no one talks about. Starting small doesn't mean staying small. The best success stories often begin with nothing but a willingness to try. Did you know the e-learning industry is projected to hit $3 billion a day by 2027? This is your chance to be a part of that growth. Imagine this. You're on the sidelines watching others succeed while you're still staying stuck wondering, what if? What's stopping you from taking the leap? Let's talk about it. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Here's why starting today matters. Time is your biggest asset. Every day you wait is a day you're not building for your future. The system works for beginners. No tech skills? No problem. It's designed to guide you step by step. You start small, scale big. Even if you can dedicate just a couple hours a day, that's enough to change everything. Your future can start now. Paul, a retired teacher who's a member now, who felt like his best years were behind him. He started the system with no tech skills and no prior experience. Fast forward 6 months now, Paul makes $600 daily. That's 6 figures a year. Works just a couple hours a day, spends the rest of his time with his little grandkids having fun. Paul didn't wait, and neither should you. The opportunity isn't going to wait for you. Every day you delay is a day someone else gets ahead and starts. What if this works for you and you miss out simply because you didn't take action? Stay tuned. I'm going to show you exactly how this works and how you can start earning as soon as you're ready. Just click the link below and get your free guide. So don't wait. This opportunity passes you by. The guide is free. May not be for you, however, you won't know if you don't check. It's free to explore, but could cost you everything if you don't. Don't let another day slip by. Your future deserves action today, and I'm here to help you every step of the way.